Hey, it's Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. We're your source for high quality kitchen appliances, cookware, and today, the Moccamaster. We're going to be unboxing Moccamaster's pour over coffee maker. So let's see what was in the box. First off, we got a nice tag that said this was handmade by Moccamaster in the Netherlands. So this isn't one of those made in China products. This was a handmade piece of equipment. They love their coffee over there. So they want to remind you of that. They're also very nice. They gave us a couple of these coffee filters to start with. And you can use your standard gold tone coffee filter in there as well. You don't have to use paper. And we've got a nice piece of paper saying you need to descale your brewer. They sell descaling units. If you have hard water, it can sometimes cloud this stuff and you can use this to unclog it. And then we've got the quick brewing guide. So this is for you who don't read the manual. This is the absolute minimum that you need to know. So be sure to look over this. But I highly recommend actually reading the entire manual. So you'll know everything about your coffee maker, how it works, what to do. It also has the amount of coffee to use. Say if you want 1 cup all the way up to 10 cups, it'll tell you how much coffee and how much water to use. So be sure to read through that, and it's also got the warranty information. Guys, this has a 5-year warranty on it. That is incredible for a coffee maker. So just be sure to read through this real quick and see what's covered under warranty and what is not covered under warranty. So very important stuff. Keep that on hand. Let's get on to the hardware. So we've got lots of little pieces and parts. Even though there's a lot, it's not very complicated how to use. So let's just kind of assemble this as we go. The first part we're going to want to put in here is this right here. So this is actually going to hold your paper coffee filter right here. That's going to go right there. And we're going to set that right on top. Let's see, it goes like this. It goes just like that. And then we are going to put on this nice stainless steel piece. What this is going to do, this is actually going to transfer the water out of here into this. So we'll put that right here. And then there's a lid that goes on top of the coffee maker. And then there is a lid that goes on top of the water basin. And then we've got a nice stainless, not stainless steel, sorry. This is the glass carafe. There are stainless steel models available if that floats your boat. And that goes right there. So pretty simple machine. We're going to go in the 360 and we're going to show you exactly how this guy works. So the Moccamaster is a very beautiful machine. So we've got like a nice muted silver color right here. They are king of color options when it comes to coffee makers. So there are many different colors. You can view those on our website at EverythingKitchens.com. But today we're viewing the beautiful silver one. And it's a nice brush right here, up and down, in this tower right here. These are the two main parts. This is our tower, and then our coffee, where our coffee grounds live right there. So in here, what you're not gonna see is a copper core. And that copper core is going to heat up, and it's actually gonna heat up the water to a certain temperature that is perfect for coffee. This Moccamaster's actually been certified by the Specialty Coffee Association of America to make the perfect cup of coffee. So there's only a handful of coffee makers that actually pass that, and this is one of them. So up here, right above this tower, is the water reservoir. So you're gonna fill this up with water, and then there's a glass tube in the middle, and that glass tube is going to take the heated water and then transfer it over into the brew basket right here. So this is where your coffee grounds will live, and then once they've steeped, they are going to drain down into our glass carafe. And you're going to notice there's a black tube down the middle. That is kind of a diffuser tube. So what that's going to do, so not all of your strongest coffee is going to be at the bottom and then it kind of gets weaker at the top. That diffuser tube's just going to kind of mix things up so you get a proper tasting cup of coffee. You're not going to get a weak pour on your first pour and the strong stuff's going to be at the bottom. So they really thought this through on how to get you a nice cup of joe in the morning. And then down here, we've got just your standard power switch. So on, off, this starts the coffee process, obviously. And speaking of that, it takes just about 6 minutes from start to finish to make a full pot of coffee. So also a very, very fast coffee brewer. And then this over here, this is for your hot plate underneath. This is going to keep your coffee at the proper temperature. I believe it's between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit is what this is going to keep it at. And depending on the amount of coffee you're wanting to brew, If you're doing a full pot of coffee, you're going to want to do the full circle. If you're doing a half pot of coffee or less, you're going to want to do this half circle down there, and that's going to keep it at the proper temperature. And it will shut off automatically after 100 minutes. So if you forget to turn it off, go to work, pour yourself a cup of coffee, this isn't going to be on all day long. You won't come home to burnt coffee. So we'll turn him around. Like I said, this is just a really nice piece of equipment, really nice to keep on your counter. It's very attractive. It's not just like your black plastic coffee maker. So they really put a lot of work into this. We've got very long power cord. It is a 3-prong power cord right there. So make sure your outlet will support that. And there is plenty of length. This is a very heavy gauge wire too. So they really put a lot of nice parts in this, and that's why they stand behind it for 5 years. So that's, I mean, it's a coffee maker. That's what it does. It makes coffee. So we're going to test this out and make a cup of coffee. So the Moccamaster just took a little under 5 minutes to brew my cup of coffee, so I'm gonna pour myself some real quick, test it out. Ooh, it is steamy hot, I like that. Put that back on there. Oh, it smells really good. That's nice. That's a nice full cup of coffee. So I like the Moccamaster because it's a pour over style, so you're not getting as bitter of a coffee as your standard drip style. And I love how fast it is. I don't have to think about, oh, how many minutes do I have to spend in the morning making coffee. It's like 5 or 6 minutes. So really fast, and I really like the Moccamaster. If you guys have any questions about it, you can leave us a comment below and we will get your question answered. And you can check out all the other colors and the specs on our website at everythingkitchens.com. The link will be in the description. So if you like this video, give us that like and be sure to subscribe to Everything Kitchens on YouTube for more chef reviews and unboxing videos.